Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off parental controls on Netflix. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Over the years, streaming platforms like Netflix have taken over traditional cable, meaning parents have more control over what types of shows and movies their children can watch. With Netflix parental control, parents can set limitation and on what their kids stream and avoid inappropriate content from popping up on the television. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to adjust the parental control on your profile on Netflix. But now, what if you want to turn this off? It's very simple. So first of all, first you have to open our Netflix. You can log in into your account. After that, from here, you can just choose on the profile that you want to turn off the parental control. You can click on the upper right corner on your profile in here. I will just choose this profile. After that, you can choose on account. You can click on account. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option adjust parental controls. You can just click on that. So here's you can turn off the parental controls. You can set to 18th. And if there's a title restriction, you can just delete the title restriction. After that, don't forget to click on save. Wait, it's still loading, and that's it. You can check your recommendation movies, TV shows on your uh, profile. It will reset to. mm, It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off parental controls on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!